and welcome back to Scale Me Down. We have a lovely spring day, so we're going to fly our Eurocopter EC665 attack helicopter. Remember to like and subscribe to support the channel.
I built this model back in 2012 and it's been modified a few times during its life. It's based on T-Rex 600 mechanics, and the hollow main shaft enables the scale mast-mounted weapons sight. My friend Mark helped with the modifications by making some of the parts on his lathe. It's quite heavy at 16 pounds or 7.5 kilograms, but flies with great authority as it's powered by a Scorpion 500 kV motor and 10-cell lithium power. I've made several sets of interchangeable dummy weapons that fit on magnets. This model is fully aerobatic and I have looped and rolled it, but I don't do harsh manoeuvring with the weapons installed in case they fall off and do some damage to the aircraft or get lost in the grass. Due to some failures in its early life, I've removed the torque tube tail rotor drive, and now there's no mechanical link between the main rotor and tail rotor heads. Instead, the tail rotor has its own motor and speed controller, which runs in governor mode, with the tail rotor pitch controlled in the normal manner. The body shell started out as a kit from RC Aerodyne, now Roban, that I added many scale details and modifications to. I also added all the airbrushed livery using my own homemade stencils.